Alright, so now that 7 minutes is up, turn this off. Alright, this is the consistency that we're left with. You know, you could add a little bit more, a little bit less water, you know, to change it, the consistency, but this is about like how I like it. So, I'm gonna take it over here, have this bowl. With my spatula, I'm just gonna pour it in. Looks like that. Make sure I do a good job scraping the sides. No, definitely, it's very sticky. There you go. This is going to be that stick to your gut feeling that you're probably looking for, where you want to be full when you eat something, but if you eat something like a salad, you know, you're still hungry afterward. And because these are true ancient grains, it's not going to give you the same trouble that wheat or oats or other more modern grains would give you. So that's the majority of it. Of course, there's some at the bottom that is going to be stuck to it. What I like to do is run this over cold water, and this is going to get that to come off. So it makes cleaning it a lot easier. So I'll just let it soak inside the sink. Cold water. I'll let it sit like that for, you know, if I'm doing something, I come back, then I'll, you know, drain it out. Same thing with this. If you let this sit any longer, it's gonna, you know, become pretty hard and make it much harder to clean. Right now, this is pretty easy to clean. Just kind of rinse it off. Right. So I'm just gonna let that sit. One last step. Sweeten. So I like my food to be very sweet, so I'm just gonna keep pouring this. Because it's coconut syrup, it's not nearly as bad as other stuff, so about that much. That. It might look like a lot I just put in, but because there's so much, it's gonna soak right into it. So this is how I stir it. I kind of like chop it on the side like this to kind of fold the syrup into it. It's like a technique sushi chefs use to make the sticky rice. When they mix it, fold in like the vinegar, they chop the sticky rice like this on the side to get everything folded into it. But because I have a round bowl, it makes it easier to spin it too like this when I stir. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you.